Yo, what's up, guys? This is just a trade recap of the trade that I took in Asia session on today, actually. Well, basically yesterday, but it counts as today. So, as you can see here, $800 across 5 accounts. So that's 4K for the day. Now, let's go and break down this trade. All right, so the reason why I was on Asia session yesterday was because I was actually recording a trade recap at this time, and I noticed that Asia session ended up gapping down and taking out previous day low. All right, so if we go down to the lower time frames, you can see it a little bit more clearly. So Asia opened lower, we took out previous day low, and whenever I trade Asia, I usually target gap fills. So I always want to see the new week opening gap get filled or the new day opening gap get filled. And usually Asia likes to do it within the same day if it's the new day opening gap. Sometimes even if there's a new week opening gap, it'll fill it in the same day as well. But if it doesn't, then that's okay, right? It can still be filled within the week or 2 weeks after, but basically I'm just looking for a move in the direction of the new day opening gap or the new week opening gap, and that's exactly what we got. So if we go lower to the 1 minute time frame, I have to scroll all the way back here. Give me a second. All right, here we go. So we gap down, and then now we're slowly moving up. So right here, I spot this volume imbalance between the opening candle and the next candle. And this candle right here, we see a nice wick reaction off of this volume imbalance, pushing us higher. And where I enter is off of the close of this volume imbalance. So I enter right here, and then this low becomes a protected low because it wicked through this volume imbalance. Volume imbalances are pretty strong as well. You always want to see volume imbalances get filled. This trade was a little bit more unorthodox because it's not like following my exact model, but this one was just really based off of the strong draw, which was this new day opening gap, and also because we took out previous day low. So what other targets do we have lower? Currently, we were floating in this 4 hour gap right here, right? And the next lower target is around like 100 points away. If you see from here, let me just take out the measuring tool right here. Yeah, if you mark it from like the 1 minute, it'll probably be like 100 points away. Let's actually do that real quick. So scrolling back all the way back. All right, so that low is that that swing low. So if you mark it from here to here, as you can see, right, it's like 110 points, 112 points away. So you have to think about it logically and say, all right, if we're gonna go to this swing low after we took our previous day low and we created this new day opening gap, what's more likely to get hit first? This swing low, or are we going to fill this new day opening gap and then we can potentially go lower? That's what I was actually waiting to see. I thought we would fill this gap and then we would just like reject lower to take out this swing low. But the entirety of Asia actually just ended up pumping. So yeah, that was pretty unexpected, but that's fine. I'm not looking to catch like all the rest of price, right? I'm only looking to catch the piece of the pie, which is the most confirmed draw right here, which is this new day opening gap. And as you can see here, there wasn't really a spot for me to go break even at because like this was 16 1.5 points away, and I went in with like 3 contracts, so I was risking around like $750 to make like $825 or something less actually. I was risking 725 to make like 825. Yeah, that's what I was risking. That was my risk. And as you can see here, right, since this is a protected low, we didn't end up taking out this low right here, and we just continued higher. So that's the importance of placing your stops at either protected lows or protected highs. So yeah, that was just a quick day. In New York session, I didn't really see anything that I liked. We were honestly just chopping around. ES looked pretty good, but I don't trade ES. There was a nice opening range breakout. But yeah, that's basically it. Yeah. This was NQ's price action, right? It's not really that great. I thought we were gonna go to data lows right here, but or actually previous day high. That was the first draw, right? Right here. I thought we were gonna go and take that out today, but price just ended up not really moving that well. So I stayed out today. I already caught my winning trade in Asia session. And yeah, that's basically the trade recap for today. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys next week.